let's look at some possible sells on EURCAD. Now, on EURCAD, as of right now, I mean, I'm not even going to change the time frames here. This is a very bearish market, right? The one thing that is making me feel a little sketched out about more sells is this. But here's what is giving me a little bit of confidence. When I go to the 50-minute time frame, the question is not if it will sell, but when, and I'll tell you why. You see this? If this is to reject, anytime this candle rejects here, or we have something that looks like that, sells are invalid. But anytime price stays down here for more than 45 minutes, and I'm saying 45 minutes because, again, the reality is, I think most of the time, when you're looking for a reversal per se, it does not stay down in the area where it is going to reverse from for very long. Now, it seems like we might have a news event. It seems like it, right? We might be having a news event on this coming soon. And you can tell that by the spread actually engaging. You can tell the spread is widening a little bit. I would not be surprised if it does indeed just widen and then just drop all of the way. The spread widening is something in particular it's doing. By the spread widening, what it's actually doing, now I'm not going to be trading this, but the spread widening, what it's actually doing is trying to grab orders that are lagging, right? Trying to grab all these sells from up here, right? Or trying to even grab the buys from down here to stop them out. Because what if sellers were actually selling in this area and their stop losses are right above here? By the spread widening, what this effectively does is it grabs those orders and literally takes them for a spin. That's exactly what I believe the dealer wants to do. The dealer wants to carry your order for a spin. He wants to drag your order the wrong way. He wants to hit your stop loss. Now, here's what I believe is quite interesting about this EURCAD. If it is a reversal, it's not going to stay here. It is going to reverse. All right. Now, you see what's happening here now? We're literally talking about this live. That's not necessarily the best thing. Because if it is a sell, why is it selling so aggressively before the news that I think is going to drop in less than 10 seconds? But here's what I'll do. I'll watch it live with you and let's see what it does. I do believe it could very much likely, well, sell, as you can see here, but I digress. There you go. Goodbye, EURCAD. Unfortunately, I would not be able to send this analysis out before this occurs, but yeah. Now, here's the thing. That candle that's occurring right now is also sketching me out. I'm actually kind of glad I watched it live, because now that's speaking a different, that's singing a different song. That's actually rejection to the downside, which is making it very hard for me to trust that sell. I can't trust that sell. Definitely not. It's way, way, way too aggressive. It's way, way, way too assertive in terms of the bull direction. And I don't think it is wise to sell this right now. But I do believe, based on what I'm seeing, it is still probably going to sell, because if it were a sell, if it were a buy, sorry, it would have bought much more aggressive from this point onward. Let's see.